I wore the Spider-Verse Air Jordan 1s for 30 days, and this is what happened. The Untitled Air Jordan 1s release very soon, and I'm giving away a pair to one of you guys watching. All you guys need to do to enter this free sneaker giveaway is smash that like button, run up those likes. Let's get this video up to 400 likes. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash that subscribe button, join the More family. Comment down below, let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1. Then DM me proof on Instagram, Danny Moore 2369. Take a picture, take a screenshot, send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck. This giveaway ends at the beginning of next month, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of the Untitled Air Jordan 1s. If you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Danny Moore. I bring you guys heat for your feet. I bring you guys sneaker content, so please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe for me. Thank you so much for doing that. And make sure you guys come back to my channel because I give away sneakers each and every month, and you do not want to miss out on these free sneaker giveaways. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I appreciate you. Now let's jump into this video. Thanks FlexiSpot for sponsoring this video. FlexiSpot is the creator of the sit-down stand-up desk that I use every day for 8 to 12 hours a day. Whether I'm creating content for YouTube, watching YouTube videos, answering DMs, emails, or just throughout my workflow each and every day, I'm always using the FlexiSpot sit-down stand-up desk, and I cannot get enough of it. FlexiSpot makes my life so much easier with the sit-down stand-up desk, so I can sit or stand while working at my computer. Having the ability to stand and stretch my legs while getting work done has absolutely changed my life. This desk is 55 inches in length and fits my workflow perfectly. And because of the dual motors and 3-stage lift system, the weight capacity of this desk is 287 pounds. But don't worry, if you need a desk that's smaller or even bigger, FlexiSpot has a ton of customizable options, including the material that your desk is even made out of. I'm gonna have links for you down below in the description, whether you're in the United States or in Canada. Make sure you guys check out FlexiSpot if you're in the market for a new desk. I cannot recommend FlexiSpot enough. The sit-down stand-up desk has truly changed my life and my workflow. Thanks FlexiSpot. Update, it's been about 30 days now of me wearing the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Verse. And I need to tell you guys right now, I like these so much better now than ever before. The more I wear them, the more I enjoy them, the more I realize how fire these really are. And if you are not a big fan, or if you're on the fence, get them on your feet. Try them on if possible. I think it will completely change your mind. A full 180 where you may not like them, but now that they're on your feet, you might actually enjoy them and realize how wearable and how often you will wear this sneaker. If you don't own the Lost and Found Jordan 1s, any Chicago Jordan 1, I think this is a great, cheaper alternative. If you own the Lost and Founds, but you don't want to mess them up too much, you're not trying to get them ruined so quickly, but you don't really care about these so much because they are less money, I think this is a great alternative. And they have Spider-Man behind them. Now, Spider-Man is a big global phenomenon, right? Everybody knows about Spider-Man. So it's a great themed sneaker. My only complaint is that we don't really know that it's Spider-Man. So in the past 30 days, I only had 2 people come up to me and say, yo, those are the new Spider-Man shoes, right? That was it. Happened twice in the past 30 days. If these actually had the Spider-Man on them, like the actual Spider-Man logo character on the shoe, they would pop out so much more and you would definitely get even more looks. But because of the shine of these, you get the looks anyway between the patent leather, between the Nike swoosh, the back heel, and of course the comic like print. You get a lot of looks, and these do look a lot like Chicago's. Even on feet, yes, of course there are differences, but the color blocking is the same, and you're gonna wind up wearing pretty much the same outfits anyway. Let's talk about this glow-in-the-dark outsole because it's been about a month and I've worn them a lot. I have cleaned these twice. That was it, all month long. I only cleaned them twice, but as you guys can see, the bottom is still a little bit dirty. It does still glow, and it glows pretty bright, but I will say this. The glow is not easy to obtain. I went bowling in the Spider-Verse Jordan 1s over the past 30 days. I went to the bowling alley, and you guys know how they have all those neon lights at the bowling alley, and it's a little dimmed down and dark in there. Well, I thought that these would actually glow in the dark. No, they did not. Even in that dark setting, they did not glow in the dark really at all. You couldn't tell. The only way I was able to tell and get it to actually activate was turning on flash on my phone and then lighting it up to the shoe, and then it would actually glow in the bowling alley. So if you're expecting the glow to be very in your face and out there, it's not. It's very tough to activate, to be honest with you, compared to other glow-in-the-dark outsoles. That's just my opinion. If you own these and that's happened to you, where the glow doesn't really activate too much, let me know your thoughts on that down below if that's happened. I do have a complaint about these. I'm going to give you guys a heads up, and that has to be the creasing. So let's start off with the toe box. They do crease very heavily. Very, very heavily, very easily, because I think it's the leather. It's just the way it is. It's like this coating. It seems like that's on the leather on the toe box. It just creases. It is what it is. And you do get creasing even on the back. You guys can see there's a crease back there. You will get creases on the back ankle of the shoe. It's just going to happen. It's bound to happen. It is what it is. But yes, these are very comfortable, and they are true to size. I have noticed that as I've worn them, the bottom, for some reason, it has more of a soft, giving bottom. Check that out. You guys can see it's kind of more flimsy and less stiff than your traditional Jordan 1, and that might be because of the glow-in-the-dark process that's on the shoe, but it's a lot more giving here on the bottom than a normal Jordan 1, and you feel it a little bit on your foot, especially the more you wear them. For lace options, they only come with the black laces. I haven't swapped out the laces at all, but you guys can see the tongue. It's getting a little dirty. There are some dirt marks. That's just the way it is when you wear your shoes heavily, but I will say this. They're comfortable, they fit true to size, and it's a great looking shoe. I absolutely did a full 180 on these. In pictures, I was not a fan. Since I've gotten them, and now that it's been over 30 days now, me wearing them, about 30 days, I just absolutely love them. To me, easily, top 3 Jordan 1s of the entire year, and definitely in my top 10 sneakers of the year, personally. These are up there for me, and probably going to remain in my top 10 for this entire year. I can't get enough of the Spider-Verse Jordan 1s, and if I continue to wear them, beat them up, get scuffs on them, get them all dirty and everything, I might need a second pair. I was not expecting to wear these that much, enjoy them that much. To be honest, when I bought them, I was buying them for content. I wasn't expecting to actually keep them. Then I got them in hand, realized, wow, these are actually fire, and I can't really stop wearing them. I love them so much. They're so nice. They're so good looking, and the material switch up is something unique. It's something different, something we don't normally see on our Air Jordan sneakers, yet alone a Jordan 1. So I'm very, very happy, very pleased to report that these are great. These are very, very comfortable. If you want a pair, I do recommend buying them because prices have slowly gone up a little bit, and I do think prices will go up in the future. They're not going to be this low in price forever. So it's a very good pair of Jordan 1s. If you don't want to break the bank on the lost and founds, if you don't want to spend crazy money, but you want a good looking Jordan 1 that you can wear a lot, and I mean a lot, the Spider-Verse is a great go-to. And of course you have the Spider-Man theme attached to it, which is just a big bonus and definitely a great looking shoe. I'm a huge fan. Glow in the dark outsole. These are just a great pair of Air Jordan 1s. And finally, after 30 days, I'm happy to report, these are fire. One of my favorite shoes of the entire year. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the Spider-Verse Air Jordan 1. Have you worn your pair? Have you been wearing them, enjoying them as much as I have? I am going to stop wearing them temporarily for a little bit, let them rest, and move on to another shoe. That's usually what I do. I'll wear it for a good amount of time and then just let it rest in my collection, and that's it. And I'll break them out eventually one day again. And I can't wait. These are great. One of my favorite Jordans of the entire year. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up for me. Make sure you guys subscribe and get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Untitled Air Jordan 1s. This giveaway ends at the end of this month, beginning of next month, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of the Untitled Air Jordan 1s, and make sure you guys check out FlexiSpot. the sponsor of today's video. If you guys need a brand new desk, link down below in the description. Check them out. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.